The Moon is a celestial body that orbits the Earth and is the fifth largest moon in the solar system in terms of relative size to its host planet. It is the largest natural satellite relative to the size of its host planet in the solar system, and is approximately 1/4 the size of Earth. The Moon has a rocky surface that is heavily cratered and dotted with vast volcanic plains, and it is thought to have formed from debris left over after a Mars-sized object collided with the young Earth. The Moon has no atmosphere and its surface is exposed to the harsh conditions of space, including intense temperature swings, solar wind, and high-energy radiation. Its gravitational pull causes the tides on Earth and also affects the planet's rotation. The Moon is an important object in the study of astronomy and has been the subject of human exploration and study for centuries. The Moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system and has a diameter of approximately 3,476 kilometers, 2,159 miles. It is about 1/4 the size of Earth, and its surface area is about the same as the continent of Africa. The Moon's average distance from Earth is 384,400 kilometers, 238,855 miles, and it has a mass about 181 that of Earth, which is why it has such a strong gravitational influence on our planet. The Moon's surface is characterized by vast impact craters, towering mountain ranges, and vast volcanic plains, and its interior is thought to be composed of a partially molten rocky mantle surrounding a small, dense iron-rich core. These are the key dimensional and physical characteristics of the Moon. Observing the Moon can be a wonderful experience, and there are several ways to do it effectively. Here are a few recommendations. Naked eye observation. The Moon is visible to the naked eye and can be seen in the night sky. This is a great way to start observing the Moon and to get a sense of its movement and phases. Binoculars. Binoculars can provide a closer view of the Moon's surface features, such as craters, mountains, and valleys. They can also make it easier to see the Moon's features in more detail. Telescope. A telescope is the best way to observe the Moon in detail. A small telescope with a magnification of around 50 to 100 times will allow you to see the Moon's craters, mountains, and valleys in great detail. Moon maps. Using moon maps or apps can help you identify specific features on the Moon's surface and can enhance your observing experience. No matter what method you choose, it's best to observe the Moon during its waxing or waning phases, when its surface is well lit, to get the best view of its features. It's also best to observe the Moon in a location with a clear, unobstructed view of the night sky. The Moon is a celestial body that orbits Earth and is the fifth largest moon in the solar system relative to the size of its host planet. It has a diameter of 3,476 kilometers and a surface area similar to the continent of Africa. The Moon is approximately 1/4 the size of Earth, has no atmosphere, and its surface is exposed to harsh conditions. Its average distance from Earth is 384,400 kilometers and it has a mass of 1/81st Earth, causing strong gravitational pull on our planet. The Moon's surface features impact craters, mountain ranges, and volcanic plains, and its interior is composed of a partially molten mantle and a small, dense core. Observing the Moon can be done with the naked eye, binoculars, a telescope, or with the use of moon maps.